Klarissica here on Klarissica Says, where Klarissica says it all, and that is how I feel. So we are back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hi friend, hi new brother, hi new sister, hi new family member, hey niece, hey neph, like hey auntie, uncle, grandma, grandpa, mom and dad, hey. So you are now tuned in to my channel, Klarissica Says, where we do upliftment, motivation, beauty, health, wealth, financial upliftment. What else we do? Challenges, mukbangs, vlogs. We just do everything under the sun in this channel, on this channel, within this channel, guys. And I'm just so happy that you are all here to visit my channel today. Welcome. I cannot thank you guys enough. I appreciate y'all love and support for subscribing to my channel and staying updated with me and my videos. So just thank you. So without further ado, I want to make sure you guys are also aware of my 3K giveaway. Don't miss this 3K giveaway. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed. If you already are subscribed, then perfect. Take a screenshot of that. But if you're not, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Klarissica Says. If you already follow me on those sources, even better, just go ahead and take a screenshot of that. And if you don't have one or the other, that's fine. You know, if you have Instagram, then just subscribe to me. Or subscribe. Just follow me on Instagram. If you don't have TikTok, if you have TikTok, then you don't have Instagram, then just follow me on TikTok, and that's fine. If you have both, follow me on both, please and thank you, and send a screenshot to me either via email, clarissicassays@gmail.com, or in my DMs to my Instagram at Klarissica Says. And then make sure you share one video to somebody. It could be one person, it could be 10 people, it could be a DM directly to, you know, your Instagram or your Facebook, or as a post or whatever. And I did do a video regarding on how to do that, so all the information down below, if you don't know how to do that, will be in the description box. So you guys, I laid everything out for you, and then just make sure you send me those screenshots again to my DM at Klarissica Says, or my email, clarissicassays@gmail.com, so therefore I can make sure that you legitly followed me and did all the requirements for this 3K giveaway. And what are you giving away, Klarissica? Why should I do this? I'm giving y'all $100, guys. $100. Now listen, honey, you can do a lot with $100. You can start your first business with $100, baby. Yes, you can. You can start a boutique, you can go get gas, you can pay a bill, you can go get some food, some clothes, you can do a pamper me day, get your nails, feet, and a facial, your eyelashes, hair done. You can do a lot with $100. So with that being said, Valentine's Day is coming up. If this you know, goal 3K comes before Valentine's Day, baby, that's some date money. That's some gift money. You know what I'm saying? That's some bills money. Get that out of the way. Trip money. So some splurge money, you know. But yes, guys, I just want to make sure I got all of this stuff out the way, because we're about to get into some serious stuff. Some real serious stuff, okay? Today we're talking about getting your life together, getting that vision board together. Get that vision board together, my kings and queens. It is time to start to plan. Now listen. I want to explain to you guys, I need y'all to understand, vision boards are very, very important, and I will do a whole video with me putting together my vision board. But it wouldn't be Monday if I'm not motivating you guys to do something as well that I'm doing. Like, come on, we are all on this journey, and this financial journey, abundance journey, prosperity journey, and life journey, and just love and living journey. And you know, why not have somebody that's supporting you as well as supporting themselves? So let's get this vision board together, guys. Let me explain to you guys why vision boards are so important. The first word in this is called vision. You're visualizing every single thing that's on that board. So whatever you put on that board, this is to help you visualize what it is that you want in your life. Anything that comes down in life, you have to understand your want, needs, and desires. If it's a want, need, and desire, you're going to push closer and push harder to receive those things, or receive that goal, or to get and accomplish whatever that is. So on your vision board, you want to put down visuals. Visuals meaning a dollar bill, $100 bill on there, a picture of $100 bill, an actual $100 bill. If you know, that could be a form of saving. It's just $100 bill you put on the board, and you side of your house. Nobody else is going to, you know, take it. If you can trust yourself, right? But if you can't, then get a fake $100 bill, or like $100 bill printed out on you know, Google, type in $100, or you know, the go $100, and you know, put that on your board. Basically, find visual images. If you're planning on moving, get a U-Haul truck is in front of me, so I'm saying that, but take a picture of a U-Haul truck and put it on your vision board. Find visual objects and visual pictures, or visual words. Words can be visuals. If you want to say, get you a loan, so you put loan, 10K loan. You can just look at that 10K loan every single, you know, morning or night or afternoon. Because you can take a picture of your vision board and look at it every single day, once an hour. You know, this is a way of manifesting, and vision boards help you manifest your goals, wants, dreams, and desires. You're visually looking at these goals every single day, and it's going to be engraved into your mind. Eventually, 30 days make a habit. So you're looking at this vision board every single day. You're going to say, I want to do this, 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 whatever this is. If it's weight goals, put your goal weight. If it's a car that you want, put your goal car. Put the amount that you need for that car. Put the amount that you want to save to get that car. If it's a house goal, put the house that you want. Put the type of house that you want. Put the number of bedrooms that you want. Put, you know, things that can go in line with the dreams that you want. And let me tell you, you will surely see these dreams, goals, and aspirations into fruition from this vision board. I'm telling you, get whatever kind of board you want, whatever fits your needs. If you want a plastic board, get a plastic board. You want a glass board that you can put up in your house somewhere and make it look all fancy, get one of those. You want to be retro, get a retro type of board. You want to get, you know, pink, green, yellow, black, whatever is going to make you have the desire to look at this every single day and like basically manifest these things on this board faster than the speed of light. That's what you get. You know, decorate it, put fur and diamonds, or I don't know, your favorite team jersey colors or whatever, footballs and whatever makes you happy. If you're a gamer, put gamer stuff around the things that you want in your life. Just anything that's going to draw your attention to this board, because it's not just a board. These things, these goals, aspirations, and visions that you're going to be put on this board are very important to your life. And so you need to take it as such, so therefore you're putting in the energy and the effort to create something that you're going to have a desire to look at day in and day out. Every single day you get up to work for someone that may not be yourself. And the same time and effort you put into making someone else richer, you can put into making yourself richer. So this is one of the first steps you can take to doing that. So do that. Let's start by this vision board. Let me motivate you guys to create a vision board. And if you're someone that doesn't like visuals and actual like arts and crafts, these type of things, it could be very simple. You could just put words on the board, or you can have a vision journal where you just write down your goals, aspirations, and desires, and you just look at that journal every single day. There's always a way to get what you want accomplished. There's more than one way to skin a cat, you understand? So if you don't like the whole visual picture, all that, put it in a book, write it down every single day. Revert back to that book or journal that you've written these goals, aspirations, and dreams in, and manifest them. And when I say manifest, I need you to look at that board. I need you to visualize yourself at that way. I need you to visualize yourself in your home. I need you to visualize yourself in your new boutique, your new business, your new whatever it is. I need you to visualize yourself in that car. I need you to visualize yourself in that trip you want to take. And when you're writing down these things in your journal, I need you to maybe, I don't know, create chapters in this book. You write like basically your synopsis or your objectives will be the dreams and goals and aspirations that you have. And then throughout that journal, you can make like little chapters, get a little piece of paper and give yourself like 10 pages or so between each goal and aspiration. And then you visually write down what you see and how you see yourself in these goals and aspirations. If you cannot visualize, visualizing sometimes is a skill. Some people cannot see what's not in front of them. And if you're one of those people, writing will help you get to that cognitive brain to start to visualize better and visualize more. Writing is a form of manifesting too, but once you think put pen to paper, baby, hey, hey, now you're speaking these in your mind. Because sometimes when you're writing, most times it's not, you're writing, but you also are speaking to yourself. Like you're hearing the words as well that you are writing. And that's a way of visualizing. Visualize whatever these goals are and write down what you're seeing. Write down what you want to come to fruition if you cannot visualize it in that word. And for those of you that can also visualize, make sure you visualize and also take a journal. Hey, it doesn't help to have more than one way of manifestation. So manifest the best way you can, and hey, get that vision board and a journal and write it out the same way. And make sure that every single day that you're, looking at this journal, looking at this vision board, writing more things that you've seen or that you feel like you may want across this year, in the next years, in 5 years, in 10 years, in 2 years. Make your 1 year goal vision board, make you a 2 month goal vision board, make you just an overall life goal vision board, bucket list vision board. Like just start to create these simple forms of manifestation to really boost the things that you want into reality. And so that is my motivation for you guys today. And make sure you let me know if this works for you. This is not something that's going to, of course, happen overnight, but for some of these people that don't know the power that they have, some of these things can come into fruition overnight like that. And you will never even realize. You think, wow, Klarissica says write this vision board, and now all these things are happening to the next day, a week from now, a month from now, 10 months from now, 2 months from now, 3 weeks from now. Like, yeah, it works, guys. But you have to really put the effort into it and really believe it, really manifest, and really want the things that you're putting down on this vision board, in this journal. You have to really have that drive. Action, or once without action or drive, is nothing, just mindless thoughts. It's like saying that I will learn how to drive, but you never get into a vehicle, or you never ask anybody to teach, or you never, try it out for yourself. You're not going to ever learn. It's the same thing with this vision board. You can't just say you want these ones, desires, and dreams, and then don't do anything to help you. Now, some of these things you're going to put on this vision board, and people, you're not going to understand. People, random emails, random acquaintances, and random mentors are going to pop up out of nowhere, and it's going to align with the things that you want to help you get these things without you even doing a little bit of work. What you don't understand is that work that you're doing is that vision board, and is that manifestation that you're doing every morning, every night, every day and second or hour you have a moment to look at this vision board or this journal that you're writing in or reviewing. Like I'm telling you, sis, king, queen, bro, come on, I'm trying to help y'all. So make sure you try this out. Make sure you let me know how this works for you, and make sure you leave all of your comments down below. Don't forget to check the description box. Don't miss out on this $100, y'all. Join this 3K giveaway today. And that's it for me, y'all. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye, guys.